Let me see your beautiful outfit. Can you turn around, please?
Probably 1500
What is in your hand?
My walker thing.
Your walker thing?
Yeah.
What do you need a walker thing for? Can you be careful with that?
Wait, your sled's all working?
Grace.
Fixed up the
That's
motor?
actually a golf club, and you're supposed to hit a ball with it, not the wall. Huh. Let me see your beautiful outfit. Are you a princess?
No, I'm a queen.
Oh, a queen. Queen of what?
The queen of the princess. I'm kind of dance with the princess.
Yeah.
I'm kind of dance
$600
with the princess tomorrow.
Oh, at the ball?
Yeah. Because I'm a queen, and queens
sled.
dance at the ball too.
Yeah,
Sweet.
But now this is broken. I have to fix it.
Okay. Are you going to be able to fix it if your hand's in your pocket?
I see people with those sleds all over the place.
What's under your skirt? Oh, a tutu.
Two.
Oh, two.
Three.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, careful.
Yeah. Well, that's what I
Now what do you...
My arms.
probably legitimize a sled for myself as a right option if I had two of them.